To answer this, let's recall first the structure of alcohols and their oxidation behavior. A secondary alcohol has a hydroxyl group or OH group attached to a carbon that is bonded to two other carbon atoms. When it undergoes oxidation, it loses hydrogen atoms, one from the hydroxyl group and one from the carbon it's attached to, forming a carbonyl group. Unlike primary alcohols which oxidize to aldehydes and then to carboxylic acids, secondary alcohols cannot form aldehydes because the carbon bearing in the OH group is not bonded to a hydrogen. Instead, they oxidize to ketones which have a carbonyl group flanked by two carbon atoms. So the answer here is letter A. Option B, primary alcohol, would be a reduction product, not oxidation. Option C, aldehyde, again comes from primary alcohols, and ether forms by condensation, not oxidation.